What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are enjoying your quarantine because I'm certainly not. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my long-awaited room tour. I've been trying to film this video for almost 2 years, you guys. So for those of you guys who are not new to my channel, you know that like 2 years ago I posted a room transformation video, which is basically where I just like showed you guys me getting all my furniture. And I always promised that eventually I'd do an official finished room tour, but I never got around to it. I finally decided to stop procrastinating and just show you guys the video. So all of my furniture and most of the things that are in this room, I have linked underneath my original room transformation video. So I'm gonna leave that link in the description box if any of you guys are interested, because I don't feel like linking it again. But anything that I didn't link under that video, I'm going to link under this video, if that makes sense. So without further ado, let's get right into the room tour. Okay, so when you first come into my room, this is the door. I just closed it behind me, and I'm just gonna show you guys like a pan of what everything looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my dresser like vanity area. So both my dresser and my bed came in the same set, and they're both from Ashley Home Store. And what I really love is, obviously I love the white. I really wanted white furniture and I like the silver hardware, but what makes this dresser really different is the fact that all the countertops and stuff are marble. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I have my lamp here to try and show you guys. So it comes with this big mirror right here, and then they have the bottom half, which is obviously the dresser. So right here I have like some Louis Vuitton boxes and bags and purchases that I've made. I didn't want to throw them away, so I just left them there as decoration. And then I have these flowers that I made a really long time ago. They're just like supposed to be like Chanel. And then this is a Beyonce CD. I think this is the part, no, this is the self-titled album. I don't know if you guys can see. It says Beyonce, and I just keep it there, you know, for decoration or whatever. And then over here I have a whole bunch of stuff actually. So all of these little like knickknacks and storage containers and stuff are all from Dollar Tree. This holds like the stuff that I'd normally put in my purse on my way out. So I have like my keys here, I have like a wallet, have my headphones, I have hand sanitizer, all that stuff goes pretty much in here. And I also have this, which I actually really love. I got this from the 99-cent store, and it's a little lighter. And it's just so easy to use, like it just lights so easily. So I have that, and then I also have my rose water right here. I just keep it here because it can't fit on my skincare tray. And I have 2 candles. This one's vanilla, and this one is, I think, black cherry. Then I have this stone that says joy. Somebody gave it to me, and I would feel bad if I threw it away. So there's that. And then I have this tray. Really wanted a perfume tray, but I don't know, all the ones, I didn't see any ones that I liked that much. So this is just like a silver, I don't know what material this is, stainless steel or something, tea tray from the kitchen section at Dollar Tree, and it holds pretty much all of my products. So I have like all my perfumes and sunscreen and stuff. It makes this little area really nice and organized. And then I just have some pictures like in the what's it called, in the crevice of the mirror. And so yeah, that's my dresser. I'm gonna show you guys the inside too. So I got these little organizers from Dollar Tree. They're just gray and they have black interiors, and I can fit 4 in here, and I basically use them to hold like bras, underwear, socks and stuff. So that makes that drawer really organized. And then in here I just have like t-shirts, bathrobes. Then down here in the bottom one, I keep like my clothes that I don't wear on an everyday basis. So like my my workout clothes, tank tops and stuff like that. And this little bag from Victoria's Secret has all my hats and scarves, because I don't want to just leave them in the drawer. And then up here I just have my nail polishes and stuff in here, cotton balls, it's not really much. And in here I have pants and sleep shorts. And then down there is just some boxes. It's not really much. So yeah, that's my dresser. So this is like my work desk slash vanity area. So I know like every basic person who does YouTube has the whole IKEA Alex drawers with the tabletop. This is honestly the cheapest one you can get. So I get the hype around why everybody buys it. But I'm gonna have my desk linked in the description box, but basically all three parts came separately. Like the drawers came separately, the tabletop came separately, and then the legs came separately. And then my black chair is also from IKEA as well. I don't know what that's called. And then over here I have like this bookshelf. When we were moving, my dad had this left over and I needed something to actually hold my school books because mostly my drawers are mostly filled with makeup, so I have that there. And then this is what my desk looks like close up. So I just have like everyday lipstick, everyday foundations in this little thing, and basically things that can't fit in the drawer. That's vitamin C spray. And then I have, let me get that water bottle out the frame. Then I have my mirror. So this is just a basic white mirror from Walmart. And if you guys can see close up, I bedazzled it a really long time ago. And then over here, I just have like my makeup brushes. These little, what are these called? Pencil cups, I guess. I use them to hold my makeup brushes. They're also from Dollar Tree, and I got them silver because my room is white and silver. And then my mirror over there is from HomeGoods. Please show you guys what's in these drawers. So this is what the top drawer. I just have like face stuff in here. I have makeup wipes, a moisturizer, and these things that I use to hold all of my makeup was actually a part of one of those little drawer sets, like the ones you get from Walmart for like $6, and I needed containers for the inside of the drawer to organize it, so I just took it out and I put it in a drawer like that, and that's how I got my little setup. So there's that. Then I have like more stuff down here. This is from Dollar Tree. It's like a party tray holder. You're supposed to put like chips and shit inside, but I use it to hold like my highlighters, my beauty blenders, lash glue, all that. And then here's like obviously all of my lip glosses. I have like a million lip liners and stuff. And another one of those 3-section party tray organizers, which I just use to hold my single shadows. And then in here I have all my big palettes that can't fit in the other drawers. And in the very last drawer I just have like random shit. Like I have an extra tripod, my camera charger, all that stuff I just keep in there. But yeah, that's my little desk vanity area. And I almost forgot this painting right here. My dad got it for me. I'm pretty sure he got it from like TJ Maxx or something, but I think it really ties together my whole vanity area nicely. So there's that. And then I have my favorite part of my room, obviously, which is like my bed. So you guys will see like these little pictures around my room like that, and I basically got those off of an app called Free Prints, and they like, you download the app and they'll print your pictures for you and send them to you for free. You guys can't really see them that well, but they're just black and white pictures on the wall because I thought like the wall around my bed was really boring. So yeah, beds from Ashley Home Store. Comes with the dresser and the side table, and it's just like it's pretty basic. It's a white queen size bed. My favorite part of my bed is definitely my bed sheets, Juicy Couture bed sheets, which if you know me, I'm obsessed with anything from like the 2000s and the 90s or whatever, and I think it's really cute. I think it adds a touch of pink to the room without being like overly pink, if you know what I'm saying. So the labels like say Juicy Couture on them, and they're really cute. The pillow set and the blanket came together, but the gray bed sheets I got from, where did I get them from? HomeGoods, I think. And that was when I thought I wanted my bed to have like a white gray theme. But yeah, that's my bed. And so probably the reason you guys clicked on this video was for my LED lights. So my LED lights are from Amazon. If I can still find the link, I'm gonna link it down below, but I bought these almost 2 years ago and they were pretty inexpensive. They were like under $20. And the thing with LED lights is that you have to be really careful. Like, first of all, this took me forever to put together, this little setup right here. And when you get them, it's gonna say self-adhesive, but I literally had to use a hot glue gun and pretty much hot glue that shit onto the back of my headboard, and it's like coming off right there. But yeah, but you have to be really careful because if you cut them wrong or you like do something wrong, the lights are only gonna turn one color or they'll stop working altogether. Basically, it'll come with this little remote and you can like change the colors on it. So I just clicked fade 7 and now the colors will change. I normally like to leave my lights on either pink or lavender because I think it looks the best that way. I like it to show in the back of my videos. But yeah, here's my bedside table, also from Ashley Home Store. It has that marble I was talking to you guys about earlier. And sorry, the sun is setting, that's why the lighting keeps changing. But it came with like these USB port things, and you can like either screw it or nail it into the back of your the back of your bedside table, and then it has like a with an extension cord I connected to the same power strip that I connect my LED lights to. So basically you never have to like look for a socket or anything like that. You could just put your phone USB right there. So super convenient. So I don't keep much in these drawers. This is just where I put all of my jewelry. So I have like earrings, rings, necklaces, and bracelets. And then back here I have all my sunglasses. And then I also have my LED lights remote, and I keep a lip gloss in my dresser because I put on lip gloss 24/7. People think I'm joking when I tell them like I wear lip gloss in the middle of the night and I don't care. But there's that. And then the second drawer, I keep like random shit, I guess you could say. Here's the window. I don't have curtains. I didn't really want curtains in this room because again I make my videos in this room, and if I have to fiddle with curtains it's gonna mess with the natural lighting. And I also have this bag. It's from Victoria's Secret Pink, and I use it as a trash can, so I put all my trash in there. And then I have right next to the window I have my 2020 vision board, which if you guys can see it's mostly YouTube stuff. Next to that I have my closet. That's me, hey y'all. I have one of those slidey doors closets that slide like that, which is kind of unfortunate because I would really rather they open towards me like that, but it is what it is. This mirror obviously didn't come with a door. My dad actually installed this mirror for me a couple weeks ago, which is another reason I was waiting to film my room tour. But I have more pictures of me from that app right there just to add like decoration, I guess. So this is the inside of my closet. So at the very top I keep all my handbags up here. All my purses, like my duffel bags, luggage, if I had luggage, I keep them all on top. And then down here is where I keep my clothes, obviously. So I just got a new shoe rack because the one that I had broke. This one's from Walmart. I'm gonna try and leave the link down below. It was really inexpensive. It was like 10 bucks. And it holds most of my shoes. The only shoes it doesn't hold are my knee-high boots, which I have over there. Then there's this side. I have more bags and stuff, and then I have like my big winter coats. I organize my closet by like types of clothing. So I have all my crop tops, all my long sleeves, all my jackets, pants, and then the dresses are in the very back. You guys can't see. I have a laundry basket, and then I also use my closet as storage. So if you guys will see, my tripod is in there, and I keep my ring light in there and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much how I organize my closet. And then ignore that, that's my ring light. I'm using it to film some parts of the video because the lighting is not so great in my room. But on the wall right next to my closet and in between the door, I have this painting. It's like a New York City skyline. I actually got this from the 99-cent store. It was like $4 or something. It's actually a pretty decent sized painting. I got this because of the hints of like the orange and the pink in here. I thought it really went well with the aesthetic of my room. There is this big open space right here, but honestly I leave it like that because if I ever want to film a try on haul or a video that involves me standing up, I don't want like a lot of clutter in this area. Y'all will see like pretty much for my room I'm really clean. Like I don't like a lot of random knickknacks everywhere and stuff. If something isn't really serving a purpose, I just like it to be in a drawer or in my closet. So having this big open space really comes in handy when I'm filming my YouTube videos. But yeah guys, that is my room. Okay guys, that is all from my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This video has been like 2 years in the making, so it better do well. Again, I'm gonna leave my original room transformation video down below, and I'll try to leave links for everything else in the video down below, but no promises. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.